Hello viewers, up today we made this front and rear transmission with engine, super stock, full bore bearings, and now today we start with this, the frame. Comment, like and subscribe. These are all the things we need to start the assembling of the lower part of the chassis. Thread liquid, screwdriver, and so on. Let's start. Now and this is it, right there. They say to mount the antenna holder, we don't need it. Now this is the steering system, and with bearings could be better. For sure there's an option part. Oh, we have bearings here. They used to say metal bearings. Okay, I have the ball bearing. And as usual, I made a mistake. Here, I need this one. Sorry. Now we change. Fortunately, the thread liquid is not dry. I was asking to myself, but how do they pretend I mount bearings and the screw in this way? Of course, it was right. My question, but was not right my work. This is a little bit harder. Need something. Fixed. And now this has to be mounted like this, and like this. Perfect. Wow, with ball bearings, what a fantastic work. Now 2 screws. You can tighten these screws at the end, as the head of the screw, the under part of the head, matches the inner ring of the bearing. That has to be stopped. For a good work, the bearings rings has to be stopped. Just the sphere inside move. Well, perfect. And we are here. Next, wow, this, fantastic. Let's mount the rear transmission on the frame. We have this, that has to stay in this position. Then these 2 screws, first one, and the other one gets here. But let's see if I can do with 2 screws. Light. Okay. 1. Is it in the hole? Yes. Wow, wait. I have to mount also this one. That stays like this over these 2 columns. May I put it here into just a little bit? Not. Oops. What's the matter? Okay. Snap in place. Then and then okay, this has to go inside this, but it won't go because right, perfect. Then 1 and 2. I don't use thread liquid in this. Perfect. Because the head of the screw gets into the plastic, and I think that it can hold the screw in place. Wonderful. Wonderful. Now I suppose drive shaft and front one. No strange piece needed except for 1 screw here, 2 screws here under. Here I need this one. J12. This is not very good, but I do. Very little damages. Drive shaft here inside. One, two. Okay. And in this position, the bumper. Wonderful. Screws MA2. No. Now, this into this. What? Next, the servo work. Prepare the radio and so on. But this I think we will make in another video. By now I'm very happy. This is super good. Wonderful. I can't wait to see it working on the track. I'm very confident this will be a very nice model car to drive. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and up to the next with this wonderful beauty. Ciao!